Serial synchrotron crystallography, or SSX, is a relatively new and rapidly developing area of MX. It's very well suited to low dose and room temperature experiments, but perhaps most importantly, it's really well suited to following dynamics. This allows stop motion movies of proteins in action to be made. At I-24, multiple modes of SSX are available. This protocol focuses on fixed target SSX, which allows a wide range of serial experiments using limited amounts of sample.
The silicon chips can be damaged when loading and cleaning them if you're unfamiliar with them. Also, the chip alignment protocol is completely new to many crystallographers, and the data processing is slightly different to your standard rotation data.
To prepare a chip holder, cut 2 sheets of polyester foil into approximately 6 by 6 cm squares and place the sheets over the 2 base plates. Using metal sealing rings, fix the sheets in place, then carefully pull on the excess foil to remove any creases. Next, select a silicon chip with appropriately sized apertures relative to the size of the crystals to be analyzed. Glow discharge the chip for 25 seconds at 0.39 millibar with a 15 mA current. Use tweezers to place the silicon chip on the chip loading stage with the raised bars facing down. Then, using a pipette, apply 200 microliters of the microcrystal slurry to the flat side of the chip, spreading the slurry to